I look so good, but then again, when do I not look good?
I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, I'm coming with another wig review, and today we have Outre quick weave in the style Jeanette, and I got it in the color 1B. So I've been wanting to get on the headband wig trend. However, a lot of them are like the same price as a full wig, and a headband wig is just a half wig, so I'm not paying $100 for that. So this was, I want to say $16 from Sam's Beauty, and I will put the link down in the description box so you can check that out. And this does come in a variety of colors. However, I think they're all pretty natural looking colors. So let's take her out and see what she looks like. Okay, so this is what she looks like straight out, and I'm feeling it. Like, I feel like this is about to be really, really good. So I am about to readjust my camera so that when I put this on, you can see it. So give me 1 second. All right, there we go. That's a lot better. So yes, like I was saying, it's very pretty. I like it a lot. And Jeanette is a little longer than some of my other wigs, but like I said, I'm really feeling it already. I can't wait to put it on. So as far as cap construction goes, this is a half wig, so there's the one big comb at the bottom and then two small combs at the top, and it does come with adjustable straps. So this is pretty. I like this a lot. So, this is very big head friendly. As you can see, I have it like pulled back on my hairline a little bit because, like I said, I'm gonna wear a headband with it. But I could put this on my whole head and I'm pretty sure it will fit. So ooh, all I need is a ponytail holder. That would be so cute. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Oh my God, y'all. I turn into a different person when my hair is done. Like, I don't even need makeup. I just need to have my hair done and some oil on my skin. I'm good to go. Like, let's see. I've seen that some people have put it up in a ponytail and done all kinds of things with it. I don't think I'm gonna do that though. Let's try it on the other side. I'm not feeling it. Okay, I guess it's not bad. Wait. So I need to go and get some more headbands. Like, I really don't have any. I got like a 6-pack from Walgreens, and it has like basic colors like black, blue, pink, a brown one, like a tan colored one, and then it has this white and blue one, which is really pretty, but it doesn't go with this outfit. So I plan on doing my makeup very soon and taking some pictures, but I first have to decide, like, what am I gonna do with this hair? Like, am I gonna leave it like this? The headband, like, the width of it is just a little too thick in my opinion. Like, if it were a little thinner, then it would really be perfect. But y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. How do y'all feel about this wig? So I am lightly running my fingers through it because I think that these curls are really pretty. They're what are these, spiral curls? Yeah, but it's not quite like the other wig that I reviewed the other day. A little looser, so I don't want to completely, you know, destroy the curls right now when I just got it. This hair doesn't tangle. It's actually doing really well. It's just, it gets bigger the more that you play with it, which is good. I will say, in comparison to the wig that I tried on the other day, my last video, it was, I forgot what I did, but I think I wore it twice and I did something and it started getting frizzy, and this is not frizzing up like that, which is a good thing. So, but you know, eventually I am gonna brush the curls out, but that's gonna come much later. I think for $15 or $16, this was a very good buy. I am satisfied with it, and like I said, I just need to find a better headband, but once I do, it's really gonna be cute. Oh yes, okay. I think this is what I'm gonna do. So when I do my makeup look, I'm gonna do it like this. I like this, the half up, half down. It's perfect. So another thing is, with some of the other wigs that I've done half up, half down styles like this, once you pull the hair up, you can start to see the tracks in the back, and you can feel them. But I'm not feeling too much going on back here because it's a lot of hair. This wig is pretty dense, so I like that. But like I said, I don't have a ponytail holder on me, so that's why I'm holding it, just so that I can get a visual of it. But it's so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm really thinking about like how I would look if I just left some leave out and wore the wig like that. I'm pretty sure it would be very pretty. However, my hair would not last that long because it is getting warmer outside, and even if it's cold here in South Carolina, it's still humid and my hair do be frizzing. So in theory, it would be nice if I could leave my hair out and show you guys like what it would look like using leave out, but we're just gonna have to work with what we have. And honestly, this really isn't bad. I like it a lot. It's very cute. And yeah, I'm about to do an orange makeup look, and the pictures are probably going to end up being the thumbnail, so you all will get to see what the finished result is. So for my final thoughts, I don't really have anything bad to say about this wig. So Sam's Beauty always has some bomb wigs, always, and they have deals, they have sales. This video is not sponsored in any way. It's just, I gotta put y'all on whenever I find a good site for wigs. I don't shop online for wigs that often. I normally get them from the beauty supply store, but like I said, Sam's Beauty is the GOAT. I saw this wig on the Instagram shop page and I had to get it, and I ended up getting another one as well, which I'm gonna review that one in a couple of days. You know, just give me some time and I'll have that one up too. But yeah, so like I said, this is big head friendly. I love the cap construction. It's very dense. I love the curls. They're perfect. And this is a really good length. It comes right about here. So almost to my bra strap if I had one on. But yeah. So it's not too long. It's a decent length. You know, it's a little past my collarbone, and I feel like there are different ways that you can style this, and maybe that's another video that I can do, different ways to style this wig. So if that's something you want to see, then just let me know and I can definitely hook something up for you and show you how to fleek this out. I already have a couple of ideas on different ways to wear it besides, you know, the headband, but it doesn't tangle much and I don't have any shedding. Like I cannot wait to put a brush to it to see what it's gonna look like. Well, honestly, I might just comb the curls out instead of brushing them, but I'm in love with this wig. I like it a lot. I think this might be my new favorite. It's so cute. I look so good. But then again, when do I not look good? But this wig is really doing something for me. So, girl, get you one. So, I think that's all for my final thoughts. So, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Shadae McCallum, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.